Badu Sahib, a sacred place situated between the mountains of Himalaya region in Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. Children are looked after by their caretakers in the hostel.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਬੜੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਜਵਾਬ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਨਰਸਰੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਹੈ। ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਏ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਡੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਕੌਣ ਹਨ।
ਸਾਡਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਹੈ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ।
After morning schedule at Gurdwara Sahib, students go to mess for breakfast, where they are served a variety of nutritious food.
Now the third angle of this triangle is the let us look. It is 55 degrees. Okay. On 3 lines like that. Others also you can draw lines like this.
Audio video aids like cassettes, computers, CDs, overhead projectors and slide projectors are used to facilitate learning. The school has all the essential facilities to develop aesthetic senses of a student. These facilities expose the student to different communicative tools and provide them the opportunity to gain extensive knowledge. 12:30 p.m. is the time for lunch. After lunch, the students leave for their hostels to take rest before their evening classes. Akal Academy has a big library. This library has a collection of over 22,000 books on a variety of subjects such as science, humanities, religion, philosophy, history, and art and literature. The computer room is equipped with latest technology. Here students can sharpen their computer operating skills under the guidance of well-qualified staff. The school has all the essential equipments for indoor-outdoor games and track and field events. They are equipped with the art of music and pass their music examination from Prayag Sangeet Vidyalaya, Allahabad. Thus, these students are trained to teach Gurbani Kirtan. The expenses of their education, lodging and boarding are borne by Kalgita Trust. The school has a 20-bed dispensary with a team of medical professionals. School has got physics, chemistry, biology and home science labs built in 4,800 square yards. Students are encouraged to participate in wide range of extracurricular activities like debates, extempore speeches, quiz and group discussions. All the children are taught harmonium, tabla and shabd gayan in classical ragas. They have to go to their classes for revision and exam preparations. As a result of discipline and hard work, students of Akal Academy are able to obtain high positions during exams. To cater the growing needs of aspirants, 22 branches of Akal Academy have been established in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. After a hard-working schedule, it's time to go to bed. Let's recite Kirtan Sola Gurbani and call it a day.